Hi, my name is Crypto Sport, and in this video I'll go through the latest earnings announcement. Before we get started, if you can hit the like and subscribe button, currently sitting at 384 subscribers, hoping to hit the 1,000 mark as soon as possible. So let's get straight into it. It's a big earnings day today, Friday. We have the key banks in America announcing their earnings call. We saw this morning the S&P 500 currently trading down almost 1%. This is a result of bank earnings. JP Morgan, they reported bank earnings. They've trading down minus 1.78 dollars, almost 1% down. Bank of America reported earnings trading down 2%. Delta Airlines are trading down 7%. Wells Fargo are trading down 5%. BlackRock are trading down almost 1%, and Citigroup are trading down 1.5%. So overall, it's been a pretty bad day for earnings calls. Let's get straight into what's been reported so far. So you'll see here, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, BlackRock, Citigroup, etc. They've all reported their earnings today. So let's go into JP Morgan. If you see pre-market, what was happening, JP Morgan, the bank reported fourth quarter earnings and revenue. Before the bell topped. However, it said a mild recession is now the central case. JP Morgan nearly slid 3% as a result. Wells Fargo, the bank slipped 4% after reporting shrinking profits, weighted down by recent sentiment and a need to build up cash reserve. Delta Airlines, the airline reported fourth quarter profit and revenue before the bell that beat expectations. It adjusted earnings per share came in at 1.48 versus the estimate of 1.33, but however, it was down 6%. Bank of America, the bank reporting earnings per 85 cents last quarter, above the 77% that analysts expected. Revenue also beat expectations. However, the bank's net income fell slightly below expectations despite jumping interest rates. Bank of America was down 3%. So yeah, as I said to you, pretty bad earnings overall. General concession is that a recession is likely. S&P 500 has been trading up the last 3 days altogether. So it's worth keeping an eye out on that. It's also worth noting that there's been a lot of global banks cutting jobs as the cost of pressure mounts. So if you just go through this article, Barclays cut its workforce in corporate and investment banking by under 3% on November the 8th, after reporting a 45% slump in merger advisory fees. Citigroup estimated dozens of jobs across its investment banking divisions. Eliminated dozens of jobs across its investment banking divisions in November. Credit Suisse has already said it will lay off some staff. The cost savings reported are likely to involve more job cuts than previously announced for the first wave of reductions, including wealth management. The bank is cutting about 5% of its private headcount in Hong Kong. Deutsche Bank, they cut, included dozens of staff cut in New York and London. They cut staff in its investments, bank origin and advisory teams in October. Goldman Sachs began laying off staff in January this year in a sweep in a cost-saving exercise. Just over 3,000 employees were let go who could not be named. The long-expected job cuts are expected. HSBC, Morgan Stanley said that their investment bank slashed about 2% of its workforce in November. Wells Fargo, the lender, slashed hundreds of jobs in its mortgage business across the United States. So yeah, overall, a lot of job cuts are coming about now as a result of the incoming recession. Goldman's job cuts hit investment banking hard. So yeah, even BlackRock announced job cuts yesterday. So if you have a look, cut 500 jobs worldwide following 2022 sell-off. So yeah, worth keeping an eye on the S&P 500, currently trading at critical level. It's bouncing up slightly. So if we go onto Twitter and take a look, it's trading at the 200 MA. So yeah, if it doesn't bounce off that, you can expect it to go down, as people have said there. Bitcoin's also trading at critical support as well, at its 200 MA as well. So if you check out Caleb, he put some good analysis on this yesterday. Where is it? So There you go. The S&P 500 closed its 200-day moving average. If we break and close above it tomorrow, that's a positive development, meaning bullish. If we break down it might indicate a reversal into the downside. So keep an eye on that. So it's a big day as it develops. If you found the video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys soon. Thanks, everyone.